Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word adjusts. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She adjusts the settings on her camera to get the perfect shot. Adjusts in the sentence means to alter or modify the settings of something, such as a camera, in order to make it more suitable or accurate for a specific purpose. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.